Here we are at the start of our trail today, Bryant Grove Trail. It's about 4 miles one way in and one way out. We can't go all the way today because we got to get back in time to watch the Steelers play the Cowboys. It's COVID days still, so they say stay at least 6 feet apart. All right, let's do this trail. What? I think they really like the paddleboard. Are you taking a picture of yourself?
Bryant Grove Trail. Is that what we said?
Yep.
And we are here. Oh look, there's Couchville. That's where we were going to.
Is that the one that we were thinking about going to?
Oh, that might have been where we were. No? That's the parking area we just came from.
All right, point to where we are.
Here.
You're here. Okay, right at there. And there's the edge of the lake that we saw on the map. Could walk over there, show it to you. There's a little creek that runs into it, runs into the lake. See if we can find a good way over there. The wind has picked up a little bit, maybe because we're getting closer to the lake. There's the lake. Okay, let's get a quick step count. What do you got?
61.
6,100. See what I have. 5637. You're still beating me. We'll have to fix that somehow today. All right, let's go.
Continuing?
Yeah. Okay, you want to keep going?
4 more minutes.
All right, this trail is a straight trail, straight in, straight out, and it's Sunday. And our Steelers play the evil Dallas Cowboys today, so we can't do the whole trail. We're going to go in till about 1 o'clock and then start back so that we can see the beginning of the game starting around 3 o'clock. Oh, and don't forget that the Steelers are 7-0 right now.
7-0!
7-0. This is a good turning around point. Here we go. Turning around. So we'll be shutting the camera off now, but you can see the trail keeps going. Got another couple miles, I think. All right, I gotta go. Gotta catch up with her. She's always walking faster than me, if you haven't noticed. Almost back to the trailhead, back to the start. When we get to the end up here, we'll do a step count check. Our goal is 10,000 a day for both of us, and we do really good at that. We usually get at least 10,000 a day, at least 20 days a month, so that's good. Often we get more than 20 days a month. Yeah, we usually get a lot more than 10,000 also. So here we are. Let's see.
14.
Perry Ann is at how much?
11.
11,438. Let's see how much I am. I'm at 11,213. So she's got me by, it's like a couple hundred.